another share screen tool. While you can share your desktops, you can also use this whiteboard feature, and this just shares a simple whiteboard app with your students. So if I select that and click share, the students are just going to see this whiteboard and anything that we annotate or draw on top of it. So as a student participant, they are seeing this white screen. And for me, again, we're just sharing this whiteboard tool. And then you have the same annotation tools available to you, where you could type, draw, stamp, spotlight, erase, and then save the images. There you go. Here are some additional whiteboarding solutions for your classroom that we recommend. Jamboard, again, we talked about this in the annotation piece, but this is kind of more of a whiteboarding environment now. You can use slides as a file to create areas for annotation. This is a nice tool where you can create really anything on a slides, Google Slides deck, and then you can download it as a PDF and use those annotation tools or the extensions like the Text Help PDF Reader. There's also a website called Whiteboard.fi, which gives you access to a free online whiteboarding tool to use with your students. And then there's a set of additional tools like Nearpod, Pear Deck, and ClassKick, which go even further with their engagement features. So check those out and see what makes sense for your classroom.